What one change
Uh,
that you would suggest to the older version
uh,
of yourself?
yeah, so basically, whenever you are entering for PhD, so first thing that you should not uh, enter in your PhD with too much expectations.
Too much
If you will
expectations.
do, because
True.
if you will enter with too much expectation and things, because research journey is not like a single day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days. Because if you are entering in PhD and if you will take too much load of too much expectation, and that won't happen in your direction according to your perspective, so definitely that will give you some frustration, that will give you
Hmm.
some like a demotivation like this. So
And it's
basically,
indirectly
whenever,
going to affect your work, basically.
yeah, and directly it will affect your work, and the work which is like easy also, you
Hmm.
will be
Not
you will
able
be
to do
unable
it.
to do. Yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
because your mindset is already like this, the like already in frustration, already in
Hmm.
demotivation, depression like this. So
Hmm.
you can't focus totally on your
Hmm.
present work.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
whenever you are going for any PhD, don't take too much expectation. You
Hmm.
should have keep the patience, and
Hmm.
you should have self confident, not
Hmm.
overconfident.
Not
If you will have
overconfidence.
yeah, so if you will go with self confident and believe in supervisor, because
Hmm.
supervisor is basically like it will provide the direction, he will provide you perspective, and he will have a lot of experience. Because
Yes, yes, yes.
even he is not guide any student in my whole life, but he has seen too much research. He is like he is also a PhD holder, so he know the situation, and he is 50 to 55 years old. So he have a lot
Hmm.
of experience regarding this
True.
experience, this
Journey.
teaching and research.
Yes.
So basically, supervisor can provide you the direction,
Hmm.
perspectives,
Hmm.
and experience, but actual work has to be done by the
Then by
students only.
yourself. By yourself only.
Yeah,
True.
because guidance is important in shaping that how you approach the problem, but the
True.
learning came from struggling with you have to struggle with that problem, right? Only
True.
a guide can give you the idea, by this way, by
Direction.
this
Yes,
path
yes,
you
yes.
can go
Hmm.
like this.
Hmm.
So you have to maintain the consistency, you have to be self confident, you have
Hmm.
to be time management. Time
Hmm.
management is also a like
Very big
key
thing.
role.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
because whenever you are doing something, and you wait for some cup of tea or some
Hmm.
like gap, so
Hmm.
after that,
Break.
you after half an hour you have to again you have to return on your work, because if you will
Hmm.
from cup of tea you will do this that something, and
Some
after
chit
you will
chat and then
went for some other activity like playing cricket, football.
true,
So
true, true.
you have break the maintain like consistency, right?